In the last video, we have already discussed what is the different grading zone of sand and what is the uses and why it is important to different grading zone. In today's video, we will discuss about how to calculate the different grading zone of sand. So what is the calculation basis and how to do the SIB analysis. In this video today, I will discuss about each and everything. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the how to calculate the grading of the sand. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So without wasting time, let's jump into the subject. The first things we need to know that as per IS 383, there are four zone of the sand is available. That is grading zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Now, we need to calculate whenever we are receiving sand in a site, we need to do the sieve analysis to know the particle size distribution, and according to the safe analysis, we need to finalize which zone it is belonging. So now, what is the sieve sizes we need to know? 10, 4.75, 2.36, 1.18, 600, 300, and 150 micron, and then pan. So these are the sieve we need to use whenever we are doing the sieve analysis for the sand. And what is the sample size? That means how much sample you need to take. It is in the sample size, it is mentioned in the IS no, 2386 part 1. That is, the sample shall be selected from material which has been thoroughly mixed and with contains sufficient moisture to prevent segregation. A representative sample sufficient to yield not less than the appropriate. So our maximum size is aggregate is 10. So we need to do the 2000 gram or the 2 kg. So our sample is 2 kg and we need to do the sieve analysis as per the method mentioned is in 383. So what we need to know according to the data, we need to do the sieve analysis. And in this video, I will not discuss how to do the sieve analysis because everyone knows that what is sieve analysis and how to do the sieve analysis. Let's discuss how we can calculate and how we can say that this is zone 1, this is zone 2, this is zone 3, and this is zone 4. So what is my sieve size? 10, 4.75, 2.36, 1.18, 600 micron, 300 micron, and 150 micron. So what is my total weight of the sand? That is 2000 gram. Now, first we need to do the sieve analysis, and then after do the sieve analysis, we need to weight whatever the weight written on the particular sieve. So whenever we are after doing the sieve analysis, we are doing to test what we need to do the weight, whatever the aggregate written on the 10 mm seam. So here we are suppose we are getting 0. So that means weight written 0. In 4.75, what we written 77, say for example. So we need to wait and we write down 77. Then 2.36, 1.91, 1.8, 437, 600, 408, 300, 691, 150 micron 188, and pan is 8 gram. So these are the total weight written on each and every individual sleeve. So if I say how much percent, how much weight written in 1.18, that is 437 gram. So it is total 2000 gram. We have taken the 2000 gram. Now cumulative weight written, that means in 10 0. So in 4.75, 77 plus 0, that will be 77. But in 2.36, that will be 191 plus 77, right? So cumulative will be these three, 0, 77, 199. That will be 268. And for 1.98 cumulative weight written, 0, 77, 191, 437, it is equal to 705 gram. Now, in case of 600 micron, weight written in the individual sieve, that is in 600, 408 gram. But in the cumulative, see 0, 77, 191, 137, and 408. It is coming 1135. Similarly, for 300 micron, it is coming 1804, and 150 micron 1992, and pan is 200,000. So what do we need to do? First, we need to do the sieve analysis, and according to the sieve analysis, we need to first weight whatever the weight written in individual sieves, and then we need to add the cumulative one from 0 to 150, so 10 mm to 150 micron. So we have already calculated weight written in the individual sieve and weight written in cumulative weight written. So now we need to percentage of weight written. So what is the percentage of weight written here? See, D3 means is here cumulative weight divided by 2000 is total weight is 2000. we have taken the 2000 or the 200 gram, 2000 gram or 2 kg sample. So here cumulative weight return is 0 divided by 2000 into 100, that is in percentage is 0. Now here it is coming D4. D4 means here it is 77, right? Because it is a cumulative return in 4.75 is 77. So 77 divided by total weight 2000 into 100, that is coming 3.85 percentage. If it is, we change, see, 80, again it will be, the total will be changed. So here will be 77 as, sorry, here will be 77. Okay, so what will be the cumulative? That is 77 written. 77. So 3.85. Here 119, 216, 13, 13.4. How it is coming? D5, that is 265 divided by 2000 into 100, 13.4. And similarly, in 1.18, 35.25, in 600, 55.65, in 399.2, and 150 micron, 19.99.6. So this is the cumulative return. Cumulative return meant from 10 to 100. How much? 150. What is the return? That is 99.6%. Here it is cumulative return means return in 10, return in 4.75, return in 2.36. That is 13.4%. Here 1.18 cumulative return means return in 10 mm, return in 4.75, return in 2.36 plus return of 1.18. That become is the cumulative return is become 35.25%. So now what we calculate? Weight return in individual shifts, cumulative weight returns, cumulative percentage of weight return in individual shifts. Now what will be the passing? So if 0 is the return, then 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. Here 3.85 is the cumulative weight return. So what will be the passing? 100 minus E4, that is 3.85, 96.815. Here also 100 minus 13.4, that is 86.6. Here 100 minus 35.2, that is become 64.75, this percentage of passing. So 100, 96, 86, 64, 44, 9.8.4 and 0. So these are the percentage of passing. So here in this table, what is saying? According to the percentage of passing, there are different grading zones: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Now I have get the percentage of passing. Now I need to say that which zone it is belonging. So first criteria is it is 100% passing. Here is 100, here is 100, here is 100, here is also 100. So it can be from 10.10 millimeter, it can be zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. Now it is 96.15 percentage passing. So here it is 90 to 100, 90 to 100, 90 to 100 and 95 to 100. So these criteria also saying that can be all four zones. Now it is 86.6. 6 is 60.95. So it can be zone 1. 75 to 100. So it can be zone 2. Here it is 85 to 100. It can be zone 3 because it is 86.6. But here it is 95 to 100. So it cannot be zone 4. So zone 4 is obsolete. So now this can be zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, not zone 4. Now here it is 44.35% in 600 micron. Here it is 15.34. That means it is not zone 1. But it is 35.59. It is belonging within the zone. That means 35.59. And it is 60.79. That is also outside the zone. So it cannot be zone 1. It cannot be zone 3. It cannot be zone 2. So only option is zone 4, zone 2. So here it is matching. Now it is, we need to matching, that's 9.8%. That means 8 to 30, that is also matching. And 0.4 is 0 to 10. So that is also matching. So all the percentage pricing criteria for this sieve analysis is matching with the zone 2. So we can say this sand is belongs to zone 2 or grading zone 2. So in this way, we need to find out which zone is the sand is belonging. First, to summarize, what is a sample size is to, according to the maximum size of aggregate, that is 200 2000 gram, that means 2 kgs. And what is the sieve size? 10, 4.75, 2.36, 1.18, 600, 300, 150 pan. And then first weight return in individual ships, cumulative weight return, cumulative percentage of weight return, then percentage of passing. And according to the percent of passing, we summarize that it is for the zone 2. I mean, it is maybe it can be in zone 1, zone 3, zone 3. So we need to find out which zone it is belonging, and accordingly we are certified that this sand is belongs to zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. So this way we need to calculate, do the SIB analysis, and we need to do calculate the grading zone of sand. And I hope you find it useful. And if you find it useful, can you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get immediate notification. And if you want to know anything more, please let me know. I'll come with more content like this. And please share your valuable comments so that from your valuable comments, everybody will be benefited. And thank you once again for watching me.